very certain. So let me tell you, the pool is 10 feet deep. When he jumps from up there and goes down and jumps in the pool, he's traveling at no less than 90 kilometers an hour. 50 miles per hour. That guy's going quick. The problem being is, when you're standing up there and you're looking down, the pool looks like the size of a bowling ball. It looks small. Very, very small. Now, he's not out on the first level. He's got to go to the second level. He's about 1/3 of the way up to the very top. Let's see if he's going to get up there. Okay, good. He's just going to take a breather now and go all the way up. Buddy, he's still kind of short. He's still got to go higher, dude. Higher, not that button. You got to go to the next one up there. No, don't get him up. Let's have him out, folks. Let's start cheering. Let's go higher, 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 higher. He's gonna go. He's a flying forward. Okay, so when he jumps off the very top, picture this if you were driving a car. Okay, see your scenario. You're driving a car at 90 kilometers an hour. You have a brick wall in front of you where you only have 10 feet to apply the brakes and stop before you hit that wall. Can you do it? That's what he has to do. So when he gets over the top, he looks down. All he can see is the bottom of the pool. This is where the rest of the teammates come in, so let's bring them out. All the rest of the flying fools out to the front. They are going to play a very important part. What they are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is that they will splash the surface of the water so that he knows when to start the brakes. The braking for him is cupping his body so it slows him right down before he hits the bottom. Now, he's 80 feet up. He's way up there. You can hardly hear us from down here. So what we want to do is we want to show him that we believe in his jump. So on the count of 3, we want everybody here to make as much noise as humanly possible, showing that we care. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the wind. A lot of people have seen high divers before, but this is a very difficult and dangerous act, especially with what's happening up there. Take a look at the wind because that bell flag is going in behind you. He's got a little bit of a crosswind going in almost to a headwind. Swirls a little bit. This is difficult, dangerous. So, ladies and gentlemen, he has to concentrate. Can we please have complete quiet? Eve, it's yours, my friend.